Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0xa00f4288, all cameras are reserved on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the system. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to repair the camera application. How would you repair the camera application? You can search for camera in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane and then scroll down, terminate it, click on repair next to the camera application. If it helps, well and good. If not, then simply reset it. The next solution is to run the camera troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter. The last solution is to download the latest camera driver update. So here's what you can do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on each camera driver and update it to the latest version. Okay, now if this works, well and good. If not, just uninstall the camera drivers, each one of them, and then click on action and then on scan for hardware changes. Okay, and this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.